We're looking at using equivalent ratios to problem solve with question 3. So we've got Frank, Mary and Seth sharing some sweets. So I'm going to write that out with the headings, so F, M and S, and then just put the ratio underneath. And I can see from that ratio that there is a total of 16 sweets so far. Now the question is telling me that Seth got 21 sweets, so I'm going to put that underneath the Seth column. We're then going to figure out how to use an equivalent ratio. Just like fractions, we're going to times by a value to get that 21, so that I can see here that I'm going to times by 3. So it means that everything needs to be times by 3 to find that equivalent ratio. And then once I've found each value, I can then work out the answer to the question, 48, which is work out the total number of sweets they shared, which was 48. So by setting it out, using the ratios and finding something equivalent, it makes life a little bit easier, and it's easy to see the working out as well. So I'd like you to have a go at the next question on your own. It's quite similar, and I'd like you to pause the video and have a go, please. So I have pink to grey in a bag, and the ratio of grey to yellow in the bag is 5 to 2. So we're going to combine the two ratios like we've done before. So pink to grey and then grey to yellow. So I can see that I've got to times the top one by 5 and the bottom one by 3. So that's going to give me 5 to 15 and then 15 to 6, which I can then combine to get the overall ratio of 5 to 15 to 6. If there are 24 yellow counters in the bag, so I'm going to put that underneath the yellow. How many pink counters are there? That's the question. So we're going to times this side by 4. So that means I have to times this side by 4. So the answer is going to be 20. Now, if you're not sure about how to do a 3-part ratio still, then please, there's another video on combining ratios. Have a look at that one as well. But we're just going to be using the ratios to problem solve as we work today. So as part of your action sheet, you need to copy down the question and then answer them, showing your working out as you go through. I will provide you with the answers to mark your work at the end of the video, but your teacher is going to be looking at your working out. So please use the examples to help you answer the questions. If you are not sure about the 3-part ratio, like I said, there is another video about combining ratios together to get the overall section. Good, so pause the video and have a go, please. So the answers for the questions are on the video now. So if you mark your work, if you haven't quite got the right answer, then look back please at your working out, even back at the example, and then you can try again please. And then write a comment about your progress. Well done.